ang tanong kung babalik pa ba? Bababa pa ba ng 100?
But will it go down to 100? And that's actually what we've been discussing. 20% is from the Middle East, 80% from the rest of the world. Now, if the war stops today, will the 20% be able to deliver? I think it will take some months because most of the infrastructure, especially LNG, has been destroyed. And I think LNG
Ang dami mo naman paliwanag. Oo na, alam naman natin yan. Yung mga kagamitan dyan, nasira, oo, alam namin yan, oo. Pero ang tanong ni Sir, kung bababa pa ba, kaya pa bang bumaba? Oo o hindi.
in Qatar will take 5 years to fix.
O, wala kami pakialam, oo.
And then all the other pipelines and all the other infrastructure of Middle
Ang
East.
daming-
So where the war will stop, there has been structural change in the industry. So pati yung supply, 80% na lang we can rely on for now. And that is still expensive, no? Do we get from Middle East or it's faster and cheaper? So I think the problem will stay longer than the war itself. So if it ever goes back to 100 pesos or below, it will take some time, Mr. Chair.